misconception number two, the NFT image is permanently stored on the blockchain. That's completely false. It just sort of starts with what images are. The blockchain is not a computer processor. As we talked about, even with ETH is faster than Bitcoin and Solci is faster than ETH, although not since last Friday with ETH2 that uses proof of stake. But either way, nothing is as powerful as a computer processor inside your iPad or your laptop or your phone for that matter. Okay, it just cannot do it today. If you mint on an exchange, so one of the things you have to think about is, where is the NFT that you bought or created being stored? So if you get one of these new fancy exchanges that you mint on in a blockchain that is new to you and everybody else, you've got to think, is that blockchain going to be around? Because if they're storing the NFTs that you've created and sold on their servers and they're no longer around, are they really going to pay for that server to be maintained permanently? Because that's where the images are. The IFPS is a decentralized server network, which David Turner, who's here, he's one of the decentralized web server providers. But that is an option, especially if you create your own and don't want to store it on OpenSea, you can go there. So I just want to show quickly why it's not stored. So this is sort of how images get translated back into images on your computer. First, someone takes the image, they put it into grids of pixels. The pixels have colors and coordinates, and then that's all translated into, believe it or not, ones and zeros. And then your computer translates that back into images using super powerful processing. So yeah, we're back to ones and zeros again. Ones and zeros, the blockchain doesn't have computer processors. So this is totally 100% different form of technology in which you're recording transactions, not this thing. So this is just one exception that just sort of proves the case. They did have autoglyphs where they try to store the image on the blockchain, and they did. It was small. People try to do it again, and I'm sure that there will be more people trying to do that. And I do know a couple of creators, blockchain creators, are trying to put more stuff on the blockchain, which is another trend to watch.